Good afternoon, how you doing? I am Chris Thompson, and I am headed down to good old Gaithersburg for a new listing appointment. We'll see you there. Got a great walk up there into the foyer. Upstairs, got 3 bedrooms and 1 bath up there. Got a powder room just down the corner there, basement access. A big picture window, tons of natural light. Carpeting's only a few years old. Ceilings need to be painted. There's our half bath. Great kitchen area. Cabinets updated a few years ago. And look at that view. What a great house and super awesome person. So needs some work, but the seller's very aware. I'm not concerned about that at all. Contemplating selling it as is, contemplating renovating and going through our fixing list. But we're gonna hit the computers and go back and see, kind of dig through what most of the area has been doing, and we'll make our decision from there. Take care, have a great day, talk to you soon.